for her. And she's also one of the 2 female FIFA assistant referees in India. Top team nagbenta bro Arliang na po MLAFC but Officers FC. We have Shri Arden Miller Basarmat, number 7. We have number 15, Shri Pius Maroin. At number 11, we have Shri Balajit Sundram. Number 19, Shri Gavin M. Limngap. Number 2, Shri Albistor Marak.
Go back.
Number 23, Shri Gabriel Walang. Number 6, Shri Olan Singh.
Push back, everybody.
Push back.
Number 20, Shri Charles Marga. Number 14, Shri Sanchar Kia Lingdo Thoba. Number 13, Shri Bristol Mabanyang. Number 8, Shri Daman Bat Lamare. Number 1, Shri Matthew V. Kurba.
Come here.
Number 4, Shri Sanjay A. Sangma. Number 5, Shri N. Sungo. Number 25, Shri Pongseng Marak. We have number 3, Shri Meral Bon Sindram. We also have as part of the MLAFC, we have Shri Shaklir Wajri and Shri Shekchum N. Sangma. Let's give a round of applause for Meghalaya FC. The captain is Shri Bante Dolingdo. The coach